Fancom is a leading company in developing automated systems for livestock farming. We have, for example, climate control. For example, our ETM unit, it measures the amount of air that's flowing outside of a stable. What we also produce is our fans. You can see one over here is a box fan, and this one is what we call an IntelliTech. Is a feeding system for pigs. We also produce sensors. What we also make are air inlets, and we already developed 4 of our own. And you can see them right here. We have 3 for a wall inlet, and we have 1 for in the ceiling. Design Solutions is a partner of us. They sell us SOLIDWORKS. We have 2 software programs with them called SOLIDWORKS for modeling our designs, but also SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation, and that's because we have a lot of products regarding climate, and with SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation we can simulate how the air is flowing through all the inlets. For SOLIDWORKS, we develop our products in-house, so we need SOLIDWORKS to design them, but we also want to make a product that meets the specifications, and when we look at an air inlet or a fan, we have to make sure that the air is flowing as we expecting. So that's why we use SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation to simulate it and to know that our product works before making it. Well, we first model a product in SOLIDWORKS, and then we can easily implement it in SOLIDWORKS Flow Simulation. So it's just a one click, and well, when learning the basics, you can start simulating. So that works really well. SOLIDWORKS is easy to work with in combination with Flow Simulation. You can simply put the model in Flow Simulation, you can simulate it, but when you need to make a change, you go back to the model, you change it, and you can simply re-simulate it. Well, I think the biggest benefit is that we can create a product that is better in a shorter amount of time. We can simulate a dozen concepts, and we can just pick the best options. And it saves us a lot of money on prototyping, because we can make one prototype, we can see if the simulation is correct. Most of the time it is, and then we can start producing it. Yeah, I like to design something on the computer, and then when it's real and you see how it's working and you can actually see, right, it's working how I expected it, then that gives some kind of kick. Yeah.